Should you come to Bangkok in October 2021? I would say no, to be honest. And there are four main reasons why. Let me explain. Sawadee Krap, everyone. Good morning from beautiful Bangkok. I'm at the Hilton Sukhumvit. I will make a video shortly about my stay here. And today I want to talk to you about why you should not come to Bangkok in October 2021. And the first reason is that there is still a curfew here in Bangkok. Even though today, 16th of October 2021, they just reduced the curfew. So now it's from 11 p.m. until 3 a.m. in the morning. While until yesterday was from 10 p.m. until 4 a.m. The CCSA just changed it and make it a bit more relaxed, but still there is a curfew. Keep in mind that as of today, Bangkok is still a dark red zone area. So it's a still high alert, high risk area here in Thailand. But let's move on to reason number two. So here we made it to M Quartier Shopping Mall right in front of Hilton for the second reason why you should not come to Bangkok. Of course, I'm joking. If you like Bangkok, come here. It's a crazy, amazing city. But at the moment, maybe it's not the number one option for Thailand. Second reason is that they don't serve alcohol at the moment in Bangkok. As I said, it's still dark red zone. And at least until December 1st, they say that they will not serve alcohol and restaurants have to close at 10 p.m. while most bars are still shut down. So if you're a drinker, maybe Bangkok is not for you right now. The third reason is that Bangkok is busy, man. Even though it's much more quiet compared to before, Bangkok is still super busy, as you can see. A lot of traffic, a lot of smog, a lot of pollution, a lot of noise, people running left and right, up and down. It's very chaotic, it's very hot, humid. Yesterday I was trying to drive the Kava and I was going crazy because I was stuck in traffic for almost 30 minutes and it was very frustrating. So unless you really like hectic cities, Bangkok is not the best option for you right now. So here we are at MBK, one of the most famous shopping malls in Bangkok. And I brought you here because, as you can see, this is very well connected to the reason number 4 why you should not come to Bangkok right now. Because many shops in the shopping mall, such as MBK here, they are closed. And not only inside the shopping mall, in many areas around the city, many shops unfortunately fail. They went bankrupt or simply they closed temporarily because of the situation that we are living. So those were the 4 reasons why you should not visit Bangkok in October 2021. But let me give you also 2 reasons why you should actually visit Bangkok in October 2021. And the first reason is that everything is on discount at the moment. Everything is on sale. For example, 4 and 5-star hotel, they have more than 50 to 60% discount. So they're extremely cheap at the moment. And not only hotels, also massages, different shops, different businesses. They're offering huge discounts because, of course, the situation is really hard at the moment. And the second reason why you should actually visit Bangkok right now is that it's very quiet, even though it's busy in the street with traffic, pollution, as we said before. But tourist-wise, is very, very quiet. There are almost no tourists around. So this is the best time to actually visit tourist attractions. This is the right time to do a great tour of all the best temples of Bangkok, which has amazing temples, which we will go also in the coming videos, this is the best time to visit them because you can just get in and have the entire temple almost for yourself. So those are the 4 reasons why you should not come to Bangkok in October 2021. You might come here in November, December, January and onwards. It's gonna be better and better because as of November 1st, they will ease up some restrictions, and then as of December 1st, they will open up Bangkok even more. And with the new year, they will become better and better. But as of October 2021, I think Bangkok is still pretty restricted, and you might have better options to consider at the moment. I would say the number 1 option is Phuket at the moment, and I will go back there soon because that's where I live at the moment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel for daily videos in Thailand, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Do you think you will come back to Bangkok? You will visit Bangkok one day? Do you think Bangkok will change forever, or everything will just come back as it was before? Leave a comment below because I reply to each and every comment. Goodbye from beautiful Hilton Sukhumvit and from these incredible views of Bangkok. Bye bye.